You alright guys, it's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects and welcome back to the channel. So on Sunday I was really made up. I was so excited that Games Workshop announced the new release of the Tooth and Claw box set. But I've just worked it out, and without trying to swear, Jesus Christ son, this box is amazing. It's so worth it. I've just worked it out now, and if my calculations are right, which they should be, you know, I have passed GCSE maths, £185.50 worth of miniatures in this box set. I think that's fantastic. So we're just on the Warhammer community website right now, and the box set is called Tooth and Claw. It's Space Wolves versus Genestealers cults, which, you know what, the models look fantastic. Well, the Genestealers definitely do. Space Wolves, I'm not too sure, we'll discuss that in a minute, but have a look at the artwork that they're bringing out at the moment for this. Just look at that, that's fantastic. I put that on the wallpaper for my Mac. So just a bit of information here, and this is what the content of the box. So you're getting a core rule box, core rule booklet, a little information guide, a bit of lore. I'm guessing maybe a little painting guide in there. Who knows? Probably some painting guides and probably some, you know, missions and objectives and stuff like that. So we've got 3 aggressors here. Now I'm unsure whether these are the snap fit ones or, you know, like the multi-part ones, but when we go to the pictures later on, you do see that they've got different heads, and I'm not sure. I have got the snap fit ones, and I'm not sure whether you do get different heads in them. I can't remember, to be honest. At Christmas I got them, but I'm pretty sure you never. But these are all equipped with the flame storm cannons, I think they're called. So apparently they're not very competitive. So that's what makes me think, are these the snap fit ones? We've got 5 intercessors as well. Now I know these aren't the snap fit ones because you've got the multiple guns here, and the different poses. And this Redemptor Dreadnought, it is called the Redemptor, isn't it? I think it is. I just looked at it before. Space Movements. Yeah, Redemptor Dreadnought. That's 40 quid, guys. And this is the multi-part one, because I've got the snap fit one. There you can see that using the webcam today. So I've got this, and you literally only get this Gatling cannon gun with it, and a power fist with a little flame on the side. So we know that is. And the Genestealers, we're getting a Aberrant. I don't know. I think that's a guy in the middle here. Hybrid Metamorphs, which I think are these guys at the back. We've got a Acolyte. Icon Ward here, no, don't want the flag, and the pure strain Genestealers at the back. Let's have a little look down here. I've got this artwork as my wallpaper on my phone. I think it's fantastic. Look at that. And here's the Wolf Guard battle leader, I'm guessing. Now he does look wolfy, but in my opinion, I don't think he looks wolfy enough. Don't ask me how we could make him any more wolfy, because, you know, he's got the head, the insignia on the front. I think that's a little wolf style skull there. He's got the Ragnar Blackname arm pad, shoulder pad. He's got the frost axe type of thing, bolter. Got the little dagger and sheath, the belt, the pelt. He's got wolfy stuff, but in my opinion it's not wolfy enough. And the intercessors, they're not wolfy enough either. You know, look at these. That's not wolfy enough to me. I suppose, you know, as collectors we could put different arm pads on, maybe get some green stuff, make some more pelts, but I haven't got any to hand here. Hold on a sec. But if you compare them to Blood Claws, for example, here's one of my Blood Claws. I don't know if you can see this. You know, that's what a Space Wolf should look like. You know, he's got the arm pads, chainsaw, bolt pistol. Now I know these can't have chainswords, even though one has got a chainsword. You know, even the legs. Look how much details on those legs there. So that's one thing I am a little bit annoyed about, is that they could have done a bit more, but then that would obviously mean making more casts, and I believe to make a plastic cast is £10,000, believe it or not. That's what I've been told. So I can sort of see it, but this is what's made me skeptical about doing a Primaris army, or, you know, attachments or whatever, because they don't look, they only look Space Marine-ish. They don't look Blood Angels, like, you know, there's one of my Blood Angels I painted a while back. I just put the arm, shoulder pad on them, but they don't look, that doesn't look like a Blood Angel, and these don't really look like spacewolves. So it's one of them. I am definitely going to be buying it though, because like I said, £185 worth of models in a box, and I'm guessing this is going to be what, about £100. So this is one of the other new models. So this is the Abomination. Sorry guys. So that's it. I'm guessing this is the Abomination here. This is going to be a character maybe. I'm not up to date with the Genestealer cults or Genestealers or Tyrannids at the moment, because I've not collected them. Well, I've never collected them. I just used to buy the sets. Remember the old Space Hulk back in the early 2000s? I had that when I was younger. Well, that's one of the new characters, and I think that looks fantastic. Look at the detail. Look at his face. And there's like a little minion there. That'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? So it looks like I will be collecting a Genestealer army as well. But let's get to pricing and go back to the main thing, yeah. So the pricing for this, Redemptor Dreadnought is £40. I think you get a couple of options for what weapons you can have. The Intercessors are £35 for 10, but we're only getting 5, so £17.50. The multi-part Aggressors are £30 as well, so we're not sure whether they're multi-part, whether they're snap fit. In fact, let's see if I can find the snap fit on my phone. Right, Aggressors. So the easy to build ones are £20, but the normal ones are £30. So either way, we're either looking at £185 or £175 if my calculations are correct. But I still think if you're going to buy them separately, you know, you should buy the Blood Angels ones. And you're paying an extra £2.50 for the sprue, which is pretty cool. I believe as well you get an upgrade sprue in this. There was a video today about the designer's notes, and the Spacewolves do get an upgrade sprue. So it's probably going to be one normal little sprue, but it's better than nothing, eh? So the Wolfguard Battle Leader, he's probably about what, £20-ish, I'd guess. So the Spacewolves side comes to £107.50 RRP. I think that's fantastic. You've got your price of your box pretty much in once half of the army. Genestealers, we're looking at the hybrid metamorphs. They're £25. The pure Genestealers, I can't see any models online for them, so I don't know whether these are new or old ones, but I found Genestealers and they're £18. The Acolyte Icon Ward is £15. So these new ones at the bottom, you know, they're a squad of 5, and then you've got your character. So those 5 must be at least £30 worth, and the character's probably about £20. So I worked out to be about £80. Well, that's because I can't find all the prices for the Genestealer cults. But you know, it's approximately £185, and I think that's fantastic. The Codex is coming out soon as well. I think that's up for pre-order first. So that's up for pre-order this Saturday. and it'll be released the following, which I think is the 25th of August, which should be a busy weekend for me for my work, because I think it's bank holiday, is it, or is that the following weekend? Either way, I'm going to be busy over the weekend. Work's always busy on weekends. So the codex is due out. I'm so looking forward to that. I want to see what Games Workshop has done to my primary army. Have they made it better? Please, Russ, that's another thing. Lehman Russ. Are we going to get a Warhammer 40k Lehman Russ model? Are we going to get him? Is he going to be Wolfen? Are we going to get two characters, two models? You know, like the Marafi from Age of Sigmar. You get the snake one and you get the normal wizard one. You know, there's so many questions that need to be answered, and they're just teasing, they're just giving us a little dribs and drabs. I can't wait. So guys, let me know if you're getting this box set. Let me know if you think that this is worth it. I think it's fantastic. I might even buy two. Don't tell the missus. She's already having a go at me. The baby's due, isn't he, in November, so keep that on the down low. Codex, pre-order, guarantee. Minimum of one of these I'll be buying. I want to get two, you know. He's lonely. He wants another two buddies with him. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll see you soon. Ciao.